Hi everyone, I am Manoj Khandelwal and I'll be your mentor for this masterclass on data science. This masterclass is split into two parts. The first part will be included concepts like what is data science, what are different data science methods, and what are different data science project lifecycle steps. Firstly, I will define what is data science. Data science is a field of study that involves extracting knowledge and insights from noisy, unstructured, and structured data and then turning these insights into actions that business organizations can take. Data science is an intersection of many fields, which includes computer science, mathematics and statistics, and business or domain expertise. Now the question arises, what a data scientists do? Means how data scientist turns raw data into useful insights. For this, data scientists uses four types of analytical methods. The first one in the list is descriptive analytics, which deals with what happened in the past. Using this analysis, data scientists try to measure the performance or overall performance of a business organization. Here we can frame a question like what was the sales previous year. Moving to the next data analytics type, that is diagnostic analytics. Diagnostic analytics deals with the question, why did it happen in the past? Basically, using this analysis, data scientists try to find out the root cause of the problem. And the question they can ask is like, why was sales increased or decreased? Coming to the next step or next type, which is predictive analytics. Predictive analytics deals with what happened in the future. Using this analytics, data scientists try to predict the future outcomes, and they can frame the question like what will be the sales next year. At the last, data scientists uses prescriptive analytics, which tells how can we make it happen, means what we can do with the results, what we can do with the insights collected so far. And here they can ask the question like what can be done to increase the sales by 10%. After discussing what is data science, what are various data science methods, I'll be discussing the steps involved in a data science life cycle project. Basically, it's a 7-step process, and the process starts with understanding and framing the business problem. After discussion with client, data scientists try to understand and frame the business problem. For example, an hospital might approach you to build a system to predict diabetic patients. After framing and understanding the problem, the second step is data acquisition. Means we have to acquire the data according to the problem. A data scientist can source data from many formats or sources. They can be text or CSV file, Excel file, database files. Even we can pull data from CRM softwares and cloud also. After sourcing data or gathering data or collecting data, we can move on to the we can move on to the next step, which is data preparation. And this step is extremely important for the next step of data science project lifecycle. So data preparation includes preparing the data, means whatever the anomalies or abnormalities or the mistakes were in the data, like missing values, duplicate values, encoding, removing extra spaces, will be doing this. We'll be cleaning the data and will make the data fit for the model building, which is the next step. Before model building and data preparation, there is a step which is called as EDA. It is called as exploratory data analysis, and using this step we try to understand data in a better way. The fifth step in the process is data modeling, means building the model. Using various ML algorithms we can build our model, and since the problem at hand is belonging to classification, so we can use so many classification algorithms available with us like logistic regression, KNN, dysentery, random forests, and many more in the list. Once the model is built, before putting the model into production, it is to be tested. This is called as model evaluation. So after building the model, we have to test the performance, we have to measure the performance of each and every model. And when we are satisfied with the performance, we can move on to the next step, which is model deployment. So using various web frames in Python like Flask, Bottle, and Django, we can implement or we can deploy our models. We can deploy our models on cloud platform also, like AWS, Azure, or GCP, Google Cloud Platform.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number.